In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Constant Contact. This process will be incredibly useful when you're looking to add some dynamic content to your email campaigns or newsletters. Embedding videos can boost engagement and make your content more compelling, so let's get started on how to do this in a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and perform a quick search for Constant Contact. This should bring up the official website at the top of the results. Click on that link to open the homepage. If you're familiar with Constant Contact, you'll know that this is your go-to platform for all email marketing needs. From here, locate the Log In button, typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Click this and enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for creating new emails or campaigns. Click on it and you'll be presented with various templates and options. For today's task, we're going to choose the Start from Blank option. As the name suggests, this option is ideal when you want complete control over the layout and design of your email. Now, navigate to the sidebar where the different content blocks are listed. You'll want to find the video block. Once you've located it, simply click, drag, and drop it into your email template where you'd like the video to appear. You'll notice a placeholder for your video has now appeared within your template. Next, click on the video block you just added. You'll see an option to edit this block. By clicking Edit, you're opening up the workspace where you can customize the content. In this section, you'll need to paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed. Make sure you've copied the correct link from the video page on YouTube. It's crucial that you get this step right because this link directly pulls the video into your Constant Contact email. Once you've pasted the YouTube link, look for the Insert button. Clicking on Insert will finalize the embedding process. This means the video is now part of your email and recipients will be able to view it directly when they receive your message. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Constant Contact email. Remember, adding video content can significantly enhance your email's interactivity and effectiveness. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Don't forget to preview your email before sending it out to ensure everything looks perfect. Thank you for watching and happy email crafting.